So far we have seen two instructions. Robot.forward, which lets our robot move forward by a single square, and Robot.right, which makes our robot rotate 90 degrees clockwise. What could we do if we wanted our robot to turn 90 degrees counterclockwise? One simple solution would be to use the instruction Robot.right 3 times to make our robot turn 270 degrees. However, this would require 3 instructions to achieve one simple task. Fortunately for us, our robot also understands the instruction Robot.left. As you may have guessed, Robot.left makes the robot turn 90 degrees counterclockwise, a much simpler solution to our problem. Notice using Robot.right 3 times and using Robot.left both make the robot face the same direction. Now, let's attempt to simplify the robot code to help our friend reach his goal with less instructions. In the code editor, replace the 3 Robot.right instructions with a single Robot.left, then add the missing Robot.forward instructions. As always, don't forget to run the code to ensure your robot can still reach his goal.